VedV Publication, Education for Excellence.
Hello friends, I am VedV. Let us learn about computer next. Before we know about computer, let me introduce you to my friend Robo.
Hi, I am Robo. Let's learn.
Chapter 5. More on MS Word 2010.
You will learn spellings and grammar, Thesaurus, word count, find and replace, find tool, replace tool, bullets and numbering, header and footers, the tab selector.
In this chapter, we will learn about some more features of MS Word. Spellings and grammar. The spell check feature of MS Word helps you to identify spellings and grammatical mistakes. In a Word document, a spelling mistake is highlighted with a red wavy line. A grammatical mistake is highlighted with a green wavy line. To correct the spelling mistake, follow these steps. Right-click the underlined word. A menu will appear. Click the correct spelling of the word from the listed suggestions. The corrected word will appear in the document. To run a spell check in a Word document, follow these steps. Click on the Review tab. Click on the Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group. Spelling and Grammar. English US dialog box appears. In the dialog box that appears, do one of the following. Select correct word from suggestion box. Change button to replace the word. Click on Change All. Change All button to replace the word throughout the document. Click on Ignore Once or Ignore All to keep the word as it is. When MS Word finishes checking the entire document, it displays a dialog box. Click on OK to complete the spell check. Thesaurus. As we use dictionary to see word meaning, the same is done with Thesaurus. This tool in MS Word provides a list of synonyms and antonyms. To use Thesaurus tool, follow these steps. Select the word. Click on the Review tab. Click on Thesaurus in the Proofing group. The Thesaurus pane appears on the right of the document window. The pane suggested a list of synonyms words for the selected word. To use a synonym for the selected word, follow these steps. Click on any of the suggested words. Click on the drop-down arrow. Click on Insert. Word count. When you create a document in MS Word, it has numbers of words in it. To count those numbers, you can use Word Count tool. To use Word Count, follow these steps. Click on Review tab. Click on Word Count option in the Proofing group. A word count dialog box appears, showing the details of pages, words, characters, paragraphs, and lines in the document. Click Close to close the word count dialog box. Find and replace. When you are working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time-consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. MS Word 2010 can automatically search your document using the Find tool. And it even allows you to change words or phrases using Replace tool. Find tool. To search for a particular word, follow these steps. From the Home tab, click the Find command. The navigation pan will appear on the left side. Type the text you want to search in search box. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow. And a preview will appear in the navigation pane. If the text appears more than once, you can click the arrows on the navigation pane to step through the results. Replace tool. To use the Replace tool, follow these steps. From the Home tab, click the Replace command. Then, Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Type the text you want to find in the Find What field. Type the text you want to replace it within the Replace with field. Click Find Next and then Replace to replace the text. You can also click Replace All to replace all the instances within the document. Bullets and numbering. When you make a list of items, you either put a number or bullet at the beginning of the list. This helps you to easily distinguish the list from the normal text. Creating a numbered list. To create a numbered list, follow these steps. Select the list. Click on the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the drop-down arrow of the numbering option. Choose a style from the numbering library. After numbering, the list display. Creating a bulleted list. To create a bulleted list, follow these steps. Select the list. Click on the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the drop-down arrow of the bullets option. Choose a style from the bullet library. After bullets, the list display. Headers and footers. Headers and footers can help keep longer documents organized and make them easier to read. Text entered in the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin, while the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Headers and footers generally contain information such as the page number, date, and document's name, etc. To insert a header or footer in the document, follow these steps. Select the Insert tab. Click either the header or footer command. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select blank to insert a blank header or footer, or choose one of the built-in options. The Design tab will appear on the ribbon, and the header or footer will appear in the document separated by line. Type the desired information into the header or footer. When you get finished, click Close Header and Footer in the Design tab or hit the Escape key. Header or footer will insert it in the document. Quick review. Spellings and grammatical mistakes can be corrected with the help of Spelling and Grammar tool. The Thesaurus is like a dictionary which gives us synonyms and antonyms of selected words. The word count tool shows the number of words, pages, characters, paragraphs and lines in a document. Find tool find a specific word or phrase in the document. Replace tool allows to change words or phrase with other word or phrase. You can create bulleted and numbered list in a Word document. Header is placed at the top of the page and footer is placed at the bottom of the page.
See you in the next chapter. VedV Publication, Education for Excellence.